Wait! Did we just get a shot in the arm?
Not that kind of shot. I'll explain.
Lemonade! Lemonade! Sweet, sweet lemonade! Dirty lemonade! Dirty lemonade! Cool lemonade! Our lemonade business is going to explore with customers. Explore! Overfully, not literally. Hey Kriti, do you know what I mean? We are going to be late by lunch time. Oh, Krishant, well, we need customer for that. We are smart, it already. Patient, Krishant. Every great business starts slow. Even ants take time to build a hill. And don't all build to pay. Kritik, we have been teaching you forever. It's been 9 minutes only. In lemonade time, it is forever. Maybe we should shout out to people walking by. Good breakfast. Okay. Get your lemonade here. Ice cold. I'm not famous. I'm not famous. It is not really a selling point. Fine. You try. Okay. Refresh for day. Cool off with our sweet tangy lemonade. Wow, Kriti! What? Wow, we are ready. Wow, a biggest tail ever! And they gave us a tea. Wow, it is amazing! Now that is a real shot in the arm for our lemonade stand. Lemonade stand. Wait, what? A real shot in the arm is an idiom, Krishan. Is that like a meditation for idiots? No, an idiom is a phrase where the words don't mean exactly what they said. A shot in the arm means something that gives you a certain boost, like energy, excitement, or confidence. So, we did not actually get a shot. No, just a big boost. Good. I ate needles. I was bold before, but now I want to tell lemonade to the whole neighborhood. Exactly. That's what people say. Something good happens. Suddenly, you feel motivated. Then let's make a new goal. What goal? Couple hours there before lunch. Ambitious. I like it. Come for the lemonade and stay for the football. Our lemonade is proven to improve smiles. Lemonade! 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 Do you know we can use this idiom for other stuff? Like when Mama share it to celebrate. To our 10th birthday and our first real shot in the arm. And to learning that you don't always need meditation to feel better. Just lemonade and big tip. Thank you guys for watching Kitan and Kritik show.
Like, share, and subscribe.